Welcome to the basics of Google Analytics. In this video, we will explore how to understand analytics for search engine optimization success. We will delve into how to track, analyze, measure, and optimize your website's performance using Google Analytics, and how to make informed decisions using analytics data to improve your search rankings. Let's explore the process of setting up Google Analytics. The first step is to create a Google Analytics 4 property in your Google account. Next, set up your first data stream for your website. Then, configure data collection settings and user permissions. After that, install the tracking code on your website and finally verify that data collection is working properly. You'll need to add this code to your website, which is provided here. This script includes the Google Tag Manager and the necessary configuration to start tracking your website data. Make sure to replace the GXXXXXXXXXXX with your actual Google Analytics property ID. Let's take a look at some key metrics in Google Analytics. Session duration is the average time users spend on your site during a visit. Longer durations often indicate engaging content and better user experience. Then we have pages per session, which is the average number of pages viewed during a session. Higher numbers suggest users are exploring more of your content. Lastly, there is bounce rate, which is the percentage of single-page visits where users leave without interacting. Lower rates typically indicate better engagement. For example, an average session duration can be 3 minutes 45 seconds, average pages per session can be 2.8 and average bounce rate can be 45.2%. Here we will focus on understanding traffic sources. We will start with the traffic source distribution, which is displayed in the donut chart. The chart visualizes the different traffic sources and their respective contribution. The traffic sources are organic search, direct traffic, and social media. Organic search refers to users finding your site through search engines, and currently, it is at 50% of total traffic. Direct traffic refers to the users typing your URL directly and makes up 25% of the total visits. Lastly, social media refers to traffic from social platforms, which is contributing 15% of total visits. It is important to track all of these to understand how users are finding your website. Let's analyze user behavior. Here is the user flow visualization diagram. It illustrates how users interact with your website, from landing pages to blog posts, product pages, and finally conversion pages. The user flow starts from the landing pages and then splits to either blog posts or product pages, then both the blog and product pages end up at the conversion pages. 45% of users enter through blog content, and 55% enter through product pages. Blog readers show higher engagement with a 35% conversion rate, and there is a 25% exit rate on product pages before reaching checkout. It is very important to understand the user flow in order to make better decisions. Here are some key SEO performance metrics to consider. Click-through rate is at 4.8% and is trending up 0.5%. Average position is at 3.2 and is trending up by 1.1. Impressions are at 15.4 thousand and is trending down by 2.3%. Organic sessions are at 8.2 thousand and is trending up 3.7%. These values and trends are indicative of how your website is performing in search engine results. In addition to these metrics, top search terms are also very useful for understanding what users are searching for. For example, SEO guide is searched 85% of the time, followed by analytics tips, Google updates, SEO tools, and keyword research. Let's explore some advanced search engine optimization tracking techniques. Here are some examples of custom tracking implementation. The first snippet is of custom SEO event tracking, using the tag event function. This example tracks page view events, includes details about page path, title, content group, scroll depth, time on page, and author. The second snippet sets up custom dimensions using the tag set function. This example sets the user type to organic, entry page to blog, source medium to Google organic, and landing page template to article. These custom parameters help in segmenting data. Let's also look at some advanced tracking metrics. Content performance tracks scroll depth, time on page, and engagement metrics per content type. User journey mapping monitors user paths from organic search through conversion points, and performance monitoring tracks page load times, and core web vitals metrics for SEO impact. Let's take a look at setting up conversion tracking. The implementation steps include: first, define your goals, which means identify key conversion actions like form submissions, purchases, downloads, or page views. Next, configure events, which means set up event tracking for each conversion action in Google Analytics. Then, set values, which means assign monetary values to conversion goals for return on investment tracking. And finally, test and validate, which means verify conversion tracking accuracy using real-time reports. Some common conversion types include form submissions such as contact forms and newsletter signups, e-commerce, such as product purchases and checkout completions, and downloads, such as PDF downloads and digital products. Here are some search engine optimization data analysis best practices. Always analyze metrics in the context of seasonal trends, industry benchmarks, and historical performance. Segment data by traffic source, device type, and user behavior for deeper insights. And track metric changes over time to identify patterns and opportunities for improvement. Here is a process flow diagram. It starts by collecting data. Then data is analyzed, interpreted, and then finally actions are taken. This iterative approach ensures you are making the best decisions for your SEO strategy. Let's review the key takeaways and next steps. First, use analytics insights to guide your search engine optimization strategy and content optimization. Secondly, consistently track key metrics and adjust strategies based on performance data. And lastly, consider multiple metrics together for a comprehensive understanding of performance. Here are some next steps that you can take. Set up custom reports by creating dashboard views for your most important SEO metrics, and configure goals by defining and tracking specific conversion objectives for organic traffic. Here are some additional resources for your reference: Google Analytics Academy and Search Console Integration Guide. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.